Hi guys, we arrived here at the Whole River State Park and we will check out the falls. Come with us. Okay, we're walking to go check the waterfall. Yeah, remember this.
We don't want to go down to the chute today, do we?
I'm not sure.
Come on, guys. Eli, it's not slick up here, at least. Careful, careful, Eli. Yeah, we're going down.
There's the waterfall.
What? You say down now? There's steps left, buddy. Why do you want down now? Be careful, it's going to be slick, okay?
Oh, really nice. I did not remember this to be this big, Troy. I really did not remember this to be this big.
There was less rain last time we were here.
Okay, it looks big.
If you fill it in, how are you going to swim in it? Let's play with the rocks, buddy. It's pretty, huh?
It is. I cannot believe this is bigger than I thought. I mean, in my memory.
It makes a big difference with the amount of water coming off of it.
Right, yeah.
Careful, buddy. Come on, Sammy, closer to mommy.
Find a trail.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, guys.
Hey, yeah, let's go find a trail, buddy.
We're gonna find a trail so you guys can play in the playground. So, guys, we are looking for the trail that is asphalt paved. So maybe it is good for the stroller that we got because we just brought the smaller stroller. So it's like, I think it'll take half a mile, but we'll find out. Go. job. Good job, Eli.
To the car.
How do you say this? Where are we?
Laurel Fork Trail.
All right, so we can start our hike.
Sweet.
Sammy, come on, buddy. Okay. Ooh, we are crossing the little bridge.
What a cool trail. Baby, they have frisbee golf here. We're doing frisbee golf.
Oh, cool.
In 2010, the Coalition of Recreational Trails, a federation of national and regional trail-related organizations, declared this trail a winner in the award of the category of accessibility enhancement, that of facilitating and encouraging increased access to trail-related recreation opportunities for people with disabilities.
Awesome. That is awesome. By early 1937, some 250 WPA workers were employed on the park project. Laborers earned 30 cents per hour. The park was completed in the summer of 1937. It's interesting. It's another trail right there, but it is...
So this, you want to go that way?
Yes.
Buddy, I don't.
We're just going to do...
They do have the little diamond markers.
Huh. Is
here.
So where are we? I mean...
Oh, I don't know. I don't know if we're going the right way.
Oh, I don't know. So now I'm confused because there's another orange markers there. So, okay.
Wow.
What, another one?
Yeah.
In July of 1938, the West Virginia Conservation Commission assumed control of Holy River State Park. This is the first time the name Holy River State Park emerges.
Lee Marcus was like...
How do you say that?
Hombo.
Superintendent of Holly River State Park in 1938.
Good job.
Cool. Lee Marcus Hombo.
Yeah.
What's this thing?
This looks like a hard frisbee golf course. Wow.
Yeah.
Have to go into the river to get your frisbee if you miss.
Yeah. In 1939, the United States leased the park to West Virginia. In 1954, the park was transferred to the state of West Virginia for $1.
Oh.
Wow! Interesting.
It's not very often you want to thank the federal government. Wow, it is actually cold here, baby.
It is.
Do we want to learn about plant life right now?
Probably, what's that? Yellow birch, that's Betula, I don't know, Alleganiensis. It's yellow birch, that's too long.
That's what I thought. That was too long to read. In 1962, the first campground was constructed at Holly River State Park, consisting of 19 units.
19 units.
Ooh, a water thing for handicapped people.
Yeah.
That's a nice little... Wow, it's cold, cold,
It's cold.
Why is Holly River only so cold? Wow.
Yeah. Okay. Kenneth McClintock has the longest tenure, 21 years, of any superintendent of the park to date, 2014. Walter R. Shoup,
Water Shoop, yes.
Shoop has the second longest tenure for 18 years. 18 years. Wow.
So that must be what Shoop Shoot is was named after. Holly River State Park Foundation, Inc. was formed in the winter of 1989 at the suggestion of Charles R. Spears and Donald R. Andrews of the Division of West Virginia Parks and Recreation.
Okay.
That's too long, buddy. We'll find out about the flora and fauna. Is it flora and fauna? Is that what it is?
Flora and fauna, yeah. Fauna is for animals and flora is for plants. 500 years?
Baby, it is a loop trail.
This is not a loop. It says not a loop.
Well, I think it is.
I don't know. Maybe.
Oh, that's the restaurant, isn't it?
Is it? Oh, I did not know. Okay. We'll take a car.
Do you want to go look at the fish, Sammy?
Yes.
I don't know if there are any fish in it.
Where? Right here? What's the
They
fish?
used to have a little fish hatchery over here.
Oh, okay.
I think it was a hatchery.
Well, we're crossing another bridge.
Sorry, buddy. You're okay, I got you.
So there's another map and a mile trail. What's that? Mountaineer Mile Trail. Oh, so they had a big sign right here, Laurel Fork Trail. So it must be a loop, but it says in the map it's not a loop. Maybe they made it recently?
Oh no, we're gonna have to ditch the... Is that the restaurant?
Oh, maybe.
We're gonna have to ditch the stroller.
Where? To go to the hatchery?
I wanna.
Maybe we're not at the restaurant.
Wanna be the small fish?
Let me see. The bridge again. People with disabilities can actually access this trail and learn the park's history. It's pretty cool. And they have resting benches also. And there's also a water fountain. How many water fountains did you see?
One so far.
One so far. Oh, it says actually here, the Laurel Fork Trail is a loop that winds around in the Cold Cove Forest dominated by yellow birch, eastern hemlock, and tulip poplar.
So now we know why Holly River is only so cold.
Yeah.
It's a Cold Cove forest.
Yes. Holly River State Park was first known as the Kanawha Head Project 1935. Local people also referred to it as the resettlement after Roosevelt's New Deal program that funded the project. Oh. The construction of Holly River State Park began during the winter of 1935 to 1936. One of the coldest winters in the early 1900s on record. The Works Progress Administration, WPA, provided the laborers. Wow, coldest. Wow, that's...
The Resettlement Administration relocated some 13 families from the project area. Among them were Arbogasts, Calgars, Hissams, Harpers, Lucarts, and McKissicks.
We're going back to the car. So we are done hiking. Oh, what is this tree? It's like, oh my gosh! Can you turn? Wait.
Yeah, of course.
Oh God!
You're so cute.
Was it holy, right? Holy?
Yeah, it's a holly tree.
Guys, can you see that? It's a holy tree. This is the first time I've seen a live one because I only see them at the store, the fake ones. That is awesome. It's just crazy. Oh, there.
So we finally found the holly trees at Holly River.
Gosh, that was really interesting. Like, I've never seen a holy tree, and I don't know that maybe that's how Holly River got its name from holy tree.
I
have no idea.
I would assume so.
Well, I was surprised there. Because I thought that I would never see a holy tree in person, but my gosh, that's actually a big tree.
I don't know that I've seen them that big.
Wow, this is actually a fun trip. Hey guys, did you have fun today, Eli? Did you like the hike? Awesome. Did you have fun, Troy?
Yes.
Thank you for tagging along with us, and we will see you in our next adventure. If you want to subscribe to our channel, just hit subscribe and please share our video. Bye!